Hi, we're the TapRooT team from the University of Pittsburgh, and now for a little bit about ourselves.
Hi, my name is Tao, and my major in industrial engineering and the minor in computer science. Most of my skill is in the programming field and using software to do the analysis. And I have some experience in the computation and the research. My research field is network science, and I'm really glad to learn something new in the root cause analysis because I think that will be a good start for me in the real industrial. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nicolas Obeso. I'm a senior industrial engineer here at Pitt. I have 3 rotations of co-op experience at Siemens Energy and 1 internship at NASA Kennedy Space Center. I'm interested in learning TapRooT because it gives me a new skill set that I can apply to the industry. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Yuchen. I am senior student major in industrial engineering at Pitt. I have an internship of data analysis at JD and research field in simulation. I really like the direction of operations research. Every time I optimize the decision or results, I think find root cause can help my work be more efficiently. So that's why I'm interested in root cause analysis. Thank you.
Hi, this is Zhaohan Xing from University of Pittsburgh, majoring in industrial engineering. And I'm interested in supply chain and also some operational research. My current research interest is some topics of misinformation and polarization. So I hope to learn some new things in TapRooT and learn new things in root cause analysis to browse a new area. Thank you.
Hail to Pitt!